app link that looks like this. So the first thing I need to do is build up this piece of it and then concatenate the value for description that we want to use. So let's go ahead and do that. The first thing I'll do is create a new local variable rule, and this will be responsible for setting up our description. Go ahead and save that. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to prompt the user for the background color he or she wants to enter. So in order to do that, I'll create a new configuration variable, and I'll call this background. I'll set it to the type option list. For our option list ID, I just so happen to already have an option list with these colors. Called it background values. They've got red, green, and yellow with some funny casing on green. So again, we'll close that. And apply. And actually I want this to show up as a, well, I guess it'll be a drop down. There it goes. Apply. Okay. And we'll create our screen to prompt the user to enter the background values. Save that. Now we'll create a new condition to group our string building. I'll create a new configuration or a local variable rule. And all we're going to want to do here is create a new variable called applink. And we're going to want to assign it to the beginning of our URL. So I want all of this. And then we're going to concatenate it with our s-description variable. And that's it. Save that. Now we also have to add in the background. So let's go ahead and do that. And so what I'm going to want to do is we got up to this point with some description. I need to add this string. And so I'll assign it back to the applink variable. And we'll go ahead and get the beginning of the applink and we'll concatenate it with this piece. Save it. And then I'll create another configuration variable, and this will simply store our background value. We'll save that. I'll create our screen to display our applink. Go ahead and add phase 5 first, phase 5 second, and phase 5 third. And for the application link, we'll assign that to phase5.aspx. A few rules, but not too bad. Go ahead and save that. We're all set. And let's go ahead and go into configuration. So we have our background screen. I can go ahead and select red and hit continue. I can go into our app link. And not the prettiest app link, but the background color is set to red And if you can read that, we have our description up here at the top. It should function the same way. No problems. Go ahead and hit continue, hit finish. We can then reconfigure that line item. We can display the app link. We have our values. Now we can go ahead and change that background value to green and hit continue and display the app link when it's set to green. And for kicks, let's go ahead and set it to yellow and hit continue. Now we'll see the app link. Ooh. So we don't implement this method for the yellow background value. And what the rules developer will clearly see up at the top is the specified background value yellow is currently not supported. Now we can do a few different things like add error handling and things like that, but this gets the message across pretty cleanly and pretty simply and allows the rules developer to continue working by just saying, okay, well, we'll disable this option and that's it. And again, what we've done here is we've created a screen or an app link that can update multiple screen options on a screen, and it can also get access to some configuration values such as background that it otherwise wouldn't have access to. So that's it for the demonstration. Are there any questions? I know we've covered a lot today.